Hi, and welcome. Let me teach you how to transfer photos from your phone or iPhone or your tablet to your computer or Mac. So anyway, please secure your phone first, your personal computer or the device that you want to transfer to, and also the most important thing, the cable or connector. So the thing here is, please have it connected to your computer right now and your phone. I'm gonna connect mine right here and wait for the pop-up that should say that if I trust this device or not. As you can see here that there is a pop-up question that do you trust this computer? Please make sure to press on trust so you can have your documents transferred to your computer. And I'm gonna click on my password to finalize everything. Once that's done, please check on your computer right here. It should says a default name of Apple iPhone. Click on that one and you should see an internal storage. Click on that one again. DCIM. So technically all of these folders right here are all of your camera roll. They are sorted by date, which is the file name, or for the folder name I mean. So I'm just gonna pick on randomly here. I'm gonna go for the second one right here. And I have 3 files over here. So please take note that this folder or this part right here this is my iPhone folder. Everything here is from my iPhone. Everything here is from my phone. So once I choose the one that I want to transfer to my computer, I'm just gonna click it, hold it, and then drag it to my desktop. As you can see, let me repeat that for you. I'm gonna get this one. Choose, click, and then drag. Once I'm here, once I'm outside the box, I'm gonna let go of the hold. Now this should be on my computer right now. This is the file or photo that we chose earlier from our phone to our computer. Now to make sure that this is really transferred to our computer, right click on it, right click, and then on the very bottom part, this part over here, the one that has properties, please click on it and check on location. You should see a users right here and the desired name of your desktop. So technically, if you see a users here, it should be on your computer. And that's it. That's how you transfer any files or photos from your phone to your computer. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.